Hello everyone, all of the beautiful people in the house. Hello. Hmm. Today topic, my darling people. The thing, e wear cocoa show, because the thing sometimes, some kind things wey dey happen for Africa, the thing dey surprise me really because, like seriously, really, this one I just really like advice to really our girls wey be say our women wey be say dem with their man dem no dey get together, for me just take care of your children, take care of your pikin by yourself than say you come carry pikin go give sister, give brother, give mama make e help you dey take care of. For me me I no fit sleep say I no see my children beside me. I no go still sleep, you understand. Okay, see this one wey happen now, e happen for one African country like that. This small girl wey dey just meme like that, the thing e very painful, you understand. E dey very painful wey be say you carry pikin give sister, mama dey there, brother, make dem take care of your pikin. See wetin you come get at last, say dem come call you say your pikin don kpeme. E get how e be na, and the kpeme wey no even kpeme sef, e dey worst, e get how e be, you understand. For me, take care of your pikin by yourself. Okay, see this one now, dem dey blame the woman because the man say he tell am say he wan come carry the children because the man dey America, the woman dey UK, the woman don marry another man, two of dem no dey again. Okay, the man dey always dey tell the woman say he wan come carry the children, make he carry dem near body, but the woman no gree. People dey blame the woman. But una know say e no really dey easy for somebody to say make a man and woman dem no dey again. Una know say e dey hard for woman to carry the children give the man na. Una know say e dey hard. Because maybe me no go gree that kind thing. Na me go take care of the children, him go dey come dey see am. But only few na im dey allow the man carry the children, then she go go dey see the children, you understand. Maybe na im make the woman no gree. For that one I no too blame her for that one. Okay, he carry the two children, they dey with this his brother and his sister, and the mama, they dey with them. So they come find out the boy come dey jogodo the senior daughter wey be 8 years. E dey jogodo am. So as e dey jogodo am, the mama come catch am, e come know. Thank God that one na 8 years, the thing not to affect that one. They come carry that one go. They don't even bother to even carry and go hospital. They can't leave that one. So he can't warn am. Say he warn am, me not do am again, my people. That one a good mama. You don't suppose to cry at that time when you even feel warn am safe. When you feel warn am, you not stop. When you feel warn am, you can't beg. You supposed to cry out because this kind boy wey don start this kind thing, so you no fit stop am now. But you go fit say stop because you don't take action the time wey you supposed to take action. So that kind mama not be better mama. You understand? You not take action. If this boy don't first start this thing with the senior daughter, you not talk. You leave am. Then he say the boy can't stop. Yeah, the boy can't stop. Fine. Then the boy can't enter the small girl. For now, see this fine girl. This fine girl will just be me like that. Small fine girl. Very painful. Very painful. He can't enter the small girl will be 5 years. He can't begin the jogodo that one. As the jogodo that one, the small pikin can't be sick. Already, the mama already know. The small pikin don dey sick now. They not quick carry and go hospital. The time when they come to carry the small pikin go hospital, the small pikin don dey kpeme dey go because small pikin of 5 years, the jogodo don too much for the small pikin body. Whether that boy, whether I don't know how I want to describe that boy. I don't know how I want to describe am really. Because me no see, I don't know wetin come over that boy. Be say na his sister children. Now he come dey enter e eye. Me I no understand really. His sister children. Now he come dey enter e eye. My people, the thing dey shocktalize me, like the thing dey surprise me. For some kind things wey you just when you hear sometimes, the thing will just surprise me. For some people really. Okay, why can't be saying that your sister children I come dey enter your eye now? Like seriously, really. When I'm not the one who pay me pass. His sister, the boy's sister, when they are aware of what they happen, that one, they say not be your sister, that be really sister. That one are just devil himself. You see what your brother they do, not good. You don't feel call your sister with the UK, say, see what they happen. He can't tell this boy, say, since they already this girl now, if he survive this thing, this girl go talk wetin happen. It's better we just meme this girl. Una dey hear my people. He say me they just meme the girl so that make the girl no talk, because if the girl survive am, he will talk at see wetin this boy don dey do to am since. His sister. Hey, I beg this kind of person, my people, I don't want to describe, but this one her sister have been a devil. I've been a wish. I've been a I know as in, I don't know how I want to describe him. This one a Lucifer. Instead, when you for tell your when you for go report this your brother will be saying na he goat, will be say he head not correct. You don't feel go report am for police station. You can't say me you can't join your brother. Say me una the small girl. Me not talk out. Because the girl is very, very intelligent. If you see this girl, fine small girl. And they just made the small girl like that. They just made the small girl like that. My people. This one, now just big lesson to our people will be say that they carry their children, go they give sister, give a mother, help me take care of. This one a big lesson. Very, very big lesson. Just see what it happen now, my people. See what it happen now. I pity for that small girl. Not be as that one don't me, they can say as they can catch them now, they can arrest them with the sister and the mama, all of them. So now they can. So maybe they go run do test for the senior daughter. Maybe they even see whether that one. Whether they never see Jogodo that one, as they go the same thing, they don't Jogodo that one tire. The same boy, my people. I don't just understand like what did they really happen for our people again. No? Mama not gonna be mama, sister not gonna be sister again. Like seriously? Mama not gonna be mama, sister not gonna be sister. The thing they surprised me really. Just see the way they take me this small pikin. You never know anything. Fine small girl. I say I want one small girl, they say they must find justice for this small pikin. One small girl. And go be the same age with the KSF. Say they must find justice for Adija. My people. And the matter, as make I can't tell you now, Mona be careful. For all those sister. I want carry my pikin go Africa, you dey Europe. More they learn for wetin dey happen. No, nothing like say your pikin dey with you. Suppose that pikin now dey with the mama. This kind of thing for not happen. As the mama dey UK, you not say try for find as you can't carry them. You will find way to come carry them. You will find way. Just see the way this small girl just take me like that now, my people. I don't just understand what going to happen to our African people again. I don't understand, really. Like seriously. This one became the women really pay me well, really. It really pay me. My people, wanna just the learn lesson, I beg. Wanna the look person wey una go dey give una children to una if una dey Europe say help me take care of o. Una dey learn o. Una dey learn o, my people. So I talk and reach today, sha. I say make I come tell una, my beautiful people, I beg. Anybody wey see this video, share am. Share am give your sister wey dey plan to carry pikin go Africa, make e go stay. Share am give your a friend wey dey plan that kind thing, make take care of your children by their self o. They still dey with you see dey talk like say you just carry am go where you no go dey see am at all. Na wetin dey tell you na you go dey believe. Some go carry their children go Africa, na this social media for dey see am, wey be say dem go hear say dem dey sell things for dem carry pure water give dem make dem go dey sell. Family go dey wicked dem, but dem go dey tell their mama say dem dey okay. Na this same social media na we for dey see everything. So make we dey learn every day, my people. So I talk this matter reach today. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and always put us up for my video. Thank you, bye.